So what I'm looking for today, guys, is this 4 hour over here. So as you can see, we inversed all of these fair value gaps, but since we are at all-time highs, it's still too early to say if we are truly bearish or bullish, because we are at all-time highs and you just need to, market needs to prove to you that we are actually bullish or that we are actually bearish, sorry. So we need to see something more in order for me to take some short positions. The same goes with ES over here. They are pretty much correlated, so this fair value gap can easily give us a reaction. It's also, I think, somewhere around, yeah, it's also inside of 50% of the range, so we are inside of premium and we are inside of this bearish fair value gap. But the thing is also, we have, I think, yeah, we have London lows, we have Asia lows, which is very good drawn liquidity. I would say this is the best drawn liquidity. So in order for me to take any longs, I want to see at least some sort of retracement, not necessary to the Asia lows, so somewhere here, not necessarily all the way down here, but maybe somewhere at least to this London low over here. And maybe if we have any fair value gaps, yeah, we have this fair value gap, this can easily hold something like this. So this fair value gap can hold and we can easily do something like this. So candle like this, wick like this on the hard time frame, and manipulation to the upside. So that will be the best case scenario for me, but let's wait. Market just opened, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just ask me. I just need to put my glasses, bro. My eyes are hurting so much. I'm doing so much things in these past few days. So guys, what are you looking for? Tell me in the chat, what are you looking for? What is your buzz? Because today I think we can easily see bullish price action and bearish price action, which is completely normal. Sometimes that's like, that will just happen. Like, you have a bunch of opportunities in the market, but you just need to take the best one. So yeah. And also, guys, if I don't take any trades today, I don't care, because we have Bitcoin trade over here, as you can see, still running. I'm on break even, so it's pretty much risk free. I went break even on this high because on the 1 hour it's looking, as you can see, this is like internal high. I went break even here, so right now I'm actually waiting for full TP to get hit. So I will make a few $1,000s on this one. So pretty much I don't care actually what's gonna happen inside of this session. But as you can see over here, we have BPR delivery, which is balanced price range over here, like this. We are respecting this fair value gap. And for all of you guys who don't know what is BPR, it's balanced price range, and it's just inversion of the fair value gap, which left fair value gap. So let's say we had this bearish fair value gap, it got inversed, and we left this bullish fair value gap over here, and it becomes balanced price range. You can see how market is perfectly respecting that BPR, which is really good to see, and I hope that we're gonna hit full TP. I'm not scaling anything, so yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Okay, seems like first round liquidity is gonna get hit over here, which is gonna be London low. After that, I'm really not sure if I'm gonna look for longs or shorts, so I need to see something more. Picture is not still too clean for me. We took a look at these guys. If you pay attention to this, like, we have this fair value gap over here, bearish one, which is getting respected, and also we have internal high swept over here inside of this range. So this is very bearish price action right now, but still we need to see something more since we are at all-time highs. I think we can go long. Sell. Bro, guys, you need to figure out what they're looking for. So some of you guys are looking for, but guys, tell me, like, explanation, why are you looking for longs and why are you looking for shorts? Because we need to know exactly what we need to know exactly what are we looking for every single day when we come to markets. We inverse for our fair gap, and right now we're reacting out of bearish BPR, so I'm looking for shorts. Okay, so more of you are leaning to the shorts, which is not bad, guys, which is not bad, but still, yeah, I'm gonna wait at least for this 50-minute candle to close over here, and then I'm gonna decide if this is gonna be just a liquidity sweep or it's gonna be actually momentum to the downside, because market can easily do something like this. So this can be candle right now, but as you can see, there is still 10 more minutes until the closure. Oh my god, where is this? So as you can see over here, 10 more minutes until the closure. Market can easily do something like this. Boom, retracement, and wick all the way to the upside like this, or maybe something like this, and it's gonna show us the bullish trend. So as you can see, that's what market is actually doing right now, but I just don't know if it's gonna be like 100%, so I need to wait for that. So that's basically what I'm looking for. Now I'm undecided because we took out London. Okay, actually I work with just a liquidity. If the market says sell side, I'm going long. If it sweeps buy side liquidity, I'm going short. That's very good. Like, that's exactly how I'm trading. Like, I'm not very good, guys, at predicting the price action. Like, I'm not very good at it, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, I don't know if, like, when somebody, I hate when somebody asks me like, Beppo, what are you looking for in like longer terms? I just don't know, guys. I really don't know. Like, if I see that market is respecting some sort of fair value gaps and disrespecting the opposite fair value gaps, I'm gonna look whether for bullish or bearish price action. But I really don't know how to predict the market. So shut up, bro, you call price action every day. Yeah, I mean, I call price action every day, but that's just like for those 2 hours, Marlon. It's not for like, some people are asking me like in my DMs, Beppo, what are you looking for the Nasdaq in the next seven days, bro? Like, I don't know what's gonna happen in 7 days, but like, I know for this, like, exactly what I told you guys. Exactly what I told you. Like, if I see inversion here, I'm gonna take this. Like, this is literally the perfect example that I told you guys. Literally the perfect example that I told you minutes before. They are dickheads. Why would they ask that? I don't know. Like, people just don't understand. It's not their fault. Like, people come to trading and they think that they need to. People are coming to trading every single day and they think that they need to be perfect. They think that they need to know every single move in the market. They think that they're gonna win. Oh my god, my mother is calling. Wait, guys, just give me a sec. They need to they think, oh my god, I glitch. They think that like they need to know every single move of the market and that they need to win 100% of the times, which is not true, guys. That's not how the trading works. If you can just catch a piece of a cake, if you just know how to enter, because one thing, oh my god, wait, guys. Guys, sorry, I have so many messages going in right now, bro. Come on. But yeah, but what was I saying? I was saying that you just need to know how to execute the market. It doesn't matter, even if you know how to predict the market, still you didn't execute, so you didn't make money, if you get a point. So it's not even important to predict the market. Like, it just, the most important thing is to know how to react off of the market, what market is actually doing. So, and sorry guys, I'm glitching a lot right now because I have so many messages right now on my phone that are going on, so I really don't know what to look for, bro. But like I said, guys, look at this example over here. Like, I saw this sweep. I told you that I'm expecting, if we are bullish, I told you, like, guys, if we are bullish, I'm expecting to see this inversion. Sorry, not inversion. I'm expecting this sweep of liquidity over here. And if I see sweep of liquidity, I need to get my entry model, which is going to be inversion. And guess what? We didn't sweep and we didn't get our entry model. So I'm not gonna enter the market. And basically, I don't care. To be honest, like, I don't care. Bitcoin over here, swing position is still in profits, risk free. So if I make money on that today, that's gonna be sick. If I don't, I'm gonna just get stop out to break even, and that's basically it. So right now our next general liquidity is gonna be here, which is going to be Asia low, as you can see, and my eyes are hurting so bad, bro, like so bad. I don't know, I'm working 24/7 on my computer for the last few days, bro. Sick. Okay, seems like market is just pumping to the downside, which is actually, guys, it's not the best case scenario for today, but I think in the bigger picture it's actually very good because we have a lot of liquidity resting inside of this price section. So look at this, look how many lows we have inside of 1 hour. So look at this low over here. So basically we have this low, look at this, guys. So we have this low, 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 this low, and this low. All these lows are basically LR, so low resistance liquidity over here, and Market is just straight pumping to the upside, and I really want to see some sort of retracement in the longer picture. So yeah, but still, until this can close here, I'm gonna look for longs, guys. So I'm gonna look for longs. Actually, here is very good long. Yeah, oh my god, this is actually a very good long, guys. Yeah, this is actually good, bro. This is actually good, bro. This is not bad at all. Like this 1 minute over here. Let me see if this is gonna get closed. And oh, is this gonna get closed? Okay, still nothing. All right. And as you can see, guys, this is why this strategy is literally the best strategy in the market, because I saw the sweep of liquidity. I was expecting that, but guess what? I didn't get my entry point, and I'm just not gonna enter the market, and that's it, bro. Like very, very simple stuff. Market is right now rejecting this, and in order for us to push higher, like we have this bullish fair value gap over here, so this, guys, this should be respected if we are truly bullish. So if we are not bullish, this is not gonna get respected. The market is gonna inverse this fair value gap over here. So yeah, I really want to see. I don't know, guys. I can easily see shorts and longs today. So yeah, I hope that this candle is gonna close like this, like I told you guys. Do you see? It's always important to wait for the full closure. Okay, right now I'm not gonna, like, this can work out, but I'm not gonna try this because, guys, if market wanted truly to give us instant reaction, we would have instantaneous reaction. But first we respect this fair value gap, as you can see with this wick, and then we invert this fair value gap. So for all of you who are taking the longs here, that's really not good idea. As you can see, you are only gonna get stopped out because that's not good idea. And let me explain you why. So we had the first liquidity sweep immediately after the London low over here. We had a liquidity sweep instantaneous. After that, we had what? We had internal sweep, which is manipulation move. And if market was truly bullish, market would easily inverse this fair value gap without even a question. But market came here, wicked, respected this fair value gap, and then respected, which is not a good sign, guys. That's never a good sign. So yeah, maybe if you put your stop loss all the way to the low like this, maybe you didn't get stopped out, but they just like too much for me right now. So I'm gonna wait for something like this on these 5 minutes. So this 5 minutes would be the best for me. It's the hard time frame of all of the lower time frames, and that's it basically. I'm still in. What did you take, Muda? Did you took? So wait, you took this long over here or what? Did you take this long or what? Well, let me see. Ah, you took this long over here. Okay, okay, I see. Long, nice. Yeah, it's not like, I wouldn't say that this is like bad shade. It's good, but like I'm not just a big fan of it because I really want to see fast inversions. So yeah, and also make sure to go break even here on this 5 minute gap because it can easily give you a reaction like, oh my god, bro, these Discord messages. Always when I start the screen. Guys, I'm glitching so bad because I'm working 24/7. I don't, like, trust me, I'm working so hard these last days. I'm honest, I really like that long, but I didn't enter because of the rejection week of the candle. I expect to inversion. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, Marlon. That's great thing that you spotted that actually, as you can see, boom. So market is really hesitating over here. Like, look at this, guys. Let me ask you something. So let's start with this. If we are truly bullish, like, Bro, I swear, one more message and I'm gonna... Wait, guys, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna just try to... I try this for... Wait. Mark, this Discord is on fire, bro. Alright. So look at this. Let me ask you guys something. If we are at all-time highs, so these are our new all-time highs over here, and market is consistently giving us moves to the upside, breakout structure, like this all the time. And if we have this price action over here, if we have this bullish fair value gap over here, if we have sweep of liquidity over here, London low as well, which is a very good run on liquidity, and you go to the lower time frame and you see something like this. Not only that we have sweep, but we have only one more manipulation like move, and we have fair value gap over here. Do you really think that market is gonna hesitate like this, chop around, or market would actually instantly inverse this in order for us to take long position if we are at all-time highs? So if you can answer that to yourself, you're gonna be better than 99% of traders. Market is again chopping, bro. This is... Bro, I swear I'm gonna die in this price action, bro. Like every single day market is just chopping around. There's nothing we can do right here, and seems like maybe I'm gonna get stopped out to break even on my Bitcoin trade. Who knows. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. Look at the 1 minute time frame of the Bitcoin, bro. What's this, bro? Guys, do you see how many fair value gaps we have over here on Bitcoin? Look at this on 1 minute chart. There is so many of them, bro. But anyway, alright. What is gold doing? Seems like gold is gonna dump as well. Alright. MNQ. Okay, market is chopping around. We are gonna wait for this chop to end. Maybe it's gonna be in the 4 minutes once the first macro hits, but other than that, I don't know. We are just chopping around. Would you consider the 1 hour inversion to the downside? No, Marlon. To be honest, no, because actually, that's a good question. It's not a bad question, to be honest, because we have one fair value gap over here, and we have actually one more fair value gap over here. So, to be honest, like if it closes like this, it won't be a bad swing position. Let's say if you want to target the daily imbalance, which is going to be here. So let's say you want to target daily imbalance because you want to see retracement. So in that case, it won't be a bad idea. But only and only if we see inversion like this. So fast momentum, great volume inversion to the downside. In correlation with ES. So it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. Also, we retrace to the 50% of the range. So yeah, I wouldn't say that this is a bad idea. It's actually good. But the only problem right here is that we have all-time highs. And I really, like, bro, did you hear my voice? I just hate to short the markets at all-time highs. I don't know why, but I mean, I know why, because they always lose, but I just don't know, like, even when I see A+++ trade back in the days when we were at all-time highs, I would lose on that trade. So yeah, I just hate to short on all-time highs. Even though if I see A++ setup, I hate to short. That's the only reason why I don't like this short over here. But other than that, if we are looking at all the confluences, like we have 50% delivery over here, so we are in the premium. We have over here bearish fair value gap that is giving us a reaction. Also, we don't have any liquidity. As you can see on the 4 hour, this was the previous liquidity which was swept on this candle. We have also, I think, Asia low at this low over here. So with all that in mind, yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna actually consider to take this trade with lower risk right now. Yeah, I can actually consider to take this. I'm gonna just screenshot this, and yeah, I'm gonna maybe try this on my live account with swing trades on MetaTrader. So I'm gonna just see what's happening here on the Nasdaq chart. So yeah, we can easily, yeah, this can work out. This can work out. Is it the best trade? Definitely not, but is it worth to take it? Yes. Alright, so right now, yeah, we actually swept this lows, so yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this, guys. I'm not gonna take this, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it. We just swept these lows, so yeah. I need to see reaction. This is, guys, very significant, like very significant low in the market, which is Asia low, so yeah, we really need to be patient with it, so yeah. So yeah, let's see, but still, yeah, it's not a bad trade, to be honest, guys. It's not like I told you guys, the only thing that I don't like here that we are at all-time highs, like that's like the main thing that I don't like, and yeah, I will rather miss this trade than take a loss, to be honest, guys. Like, yeah. So that's pretty much it for this trade over here. Would you split the profits with me? I called it. Yeah, Marlon, but I didn't enter over here, so yeah. We are gonna split the profits, but only if I actually take this trade. But looking at this right now, yeah, I don't know. I got stopped out today. That's completely fine, Moda. That's nothing. That's not even like that deep. One loss is not gonna make a big difference. But guys, this short is looking very nice, but I just don't like. Look, it's already running in the... Yeah, I think that I missed this trade. Yeah, I'm not gonna force a trade, guys. As you can see, I missed this trade and that's it. I'm not gonna force it. Like, if I really wanted to take this short, I need to take this short like here, bro. I need to have my entry here and already be break even here, bro. Like, but look what, this trade is already almost at take profit, so yeah. It is what it is, guys. You can see this in live time. Sometimes you're gonna miss a trade, sometimes you're not gonna see opportunity in every single move, and that's completely fine. We're still leaving the charts for now. Yeah, you can do that, guys. And you can see, even me, I have so much experience. You know that I'm a very good trader. I'm calling good trades every single day. I'm calling the price action. But even though I'm a good trader and very experienced, sometimes I'm gonna miss a trade, which is completely fine. And do you see, right now, I missed this trade, and I told you, if I really want to take this trade, like, I need to be in this trade here, bro, and not here. And guess what? I didn't enter. And do I feel FOMO? No. Do I feel like that I need to make money? No, because also my Bitcoin trade over here is running in profits. I have around 90% win rate of this month for the whole month of September. I made a bunch of money, and if I miss one trade, that's not gonna hurt me, because tomorrow is new opportunity. Tomorrow we're gonna have new trades. Tomorrow we're gonna have complete new buzz, complete new structure, complete new liquidity pools. We're gonna have everything new. We are starting fresh again. So I don't care, guys. I'll be on stream. Alright, nice. You'll see, part of the game. That's what I'm telling you. Losses, missed trades, I don't know. Everything is part of the game here, guys. As long as you are keeping the risk management, and as long as you know what you're doing, and as long as you are not gambling, you're gonna make money. So yeah, that's not even a question. So guys, look, did I enter here? No. Did I want to see shorts? Also kinda no, but when I saw this candle, I thought that we can see shorts. But guys, the problem is that I didn't enter when I needed to enter. Like, I need to enter here, and guess what? I was hesitating and I didn't enter, which is, guys, this can be school for you. Like, literally, if you are hesitating, if you are thinking about before placing a trade, should I place this trade or not? Is this good? Is it bad? If you are like thinking for a while, that means that trade is not good, guys. Trust me. I know from experience. Like, but when you see A+, light bulb trade, when you see something and you are like instantaneously like, oh, I'm gonna place a trade. This is like no questions asked, good trade. then probably it actually is. But if you are hesitant about taking a trade, if you are like, should I take, is this good trade? Most of the times it's not good, trust me. So I hope that you can understand, guys. Did that ever happen to you guys? Like when you were hesitant about the trade, you were like, should I take this, should I not take this, and then it lost because you took it. Yes sir, that's what I'm telling you guys. Like, and usually guys, if you can just replay your life back in like, I don't know, 1 year ago, and if you saw something like 8 bulb, I don't know, A plus 8 bulb trade, and you were like instantly, oh, this is gonna be winning trade, most of the times it actually was a winning trade. Like, just try to remember that. But I wanna ask you why you don't take the long setup. Because there is not a single long setup over here, bro. There's just nothing right now to take. I mean, market is giving us a good reaction over here, but there is no setups for me right now, guys. There is nothing clean for me, and I'm not gonna force trades like I told you guys. I'm not gonna force any trades today. I only took this one trade over here on Bitcoin, which is risk-free, and if I don't hit TP over here, then I'm literally gonna be at break-even today, and that's it. You can't imagine, bro, I'm so pissed I didn't take a winning trade for the last 3 weeks. That's insane, but I gotta stay patient. Yeah, last 3 weeks are kinda tough, guys. I know, because market is crazy bad. Like, look at this price action. We are just consolidating, and I don't know what's happening, but I just know that that's part of the game as well, so you don't need to worry. Price action is gonna be better for sure. It's just question of when. And that's why I like, guys, swing trades. That's why I like swing trades, because you don't need to be 24/7 on the markets. You don't need to look at every single candle on the 1 minute. Like, I saw this Bitcoin respecting this bullish BPR over here, also this bullish fair value gap. I saw this mini AMD, which means accumulation, manipulation over here, as you can see, and then I want to see distribution to the upside, like this, targeting these highs, and yeah, pretty good trade if you ask me. But here, yeah, let's see how this 1 hour is gonna close, guys. Let's see how this 1 hour is gonna close. And do you see, guys, it's trading is not all about taking the setups, winning the trades, because everybody can win a trade, everybody can place a trade, and if they trade, like, at the end becomes a winning trade, everybody can deal with the winning streaks. Like, everyone can win a trade, but not all of you guys can actually deal with the losing streaks. But the first day in September was so good, I thought now my time has come, but the price action is as bad as in the summer. Yeah, I know. But it's gonna be better, trust me, guys. Next month price action is gonna be better for sure. I saw this 1,000,000 times already. But guys, these are the times that are gonna define you as a trader. Like I said, everybody can take a winning position, everybody can win in the markets, but not everyone can sit on their hands, deal with losing positions, deal with missing their trades, deal with so many bad things. Everybody can come here, place a trade, win the trade, and walk away. Everybody can do that, but not all of you guys can actually wait for that setup to present and be like, and just to sit on your hands, and that's it. Because when you know that you can make money in like seconds, when you know that you can make money with just one click, that's not good, trust me, that's just not good, guys. And a lot of new people are coming into the markets, like they think, oh, I can make money with just one click, I'm gonna be a millionaire, but that's not how the trading works. You need to be patient, you need to wait for your I mean, that's it, that's actually how the trading works, but you need to be patient, you need to avoid all of the unnecessary losses, you need to wait for the A plus to present, and then you need to take it with full confidence. Speeding facts, yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. Everybody can take a winning position. Like, I see a lot of people like, they think that they're good traders because they're on winning streaks. No, everybody can deal with the winning. Like, of course, everybody can win in the markets. That's so easy, guys. Like, winning in the markets is the easiest thing ever. Like, everybody can come here and take a winning position, bro. Everybody can do that. But can everyone sit on their hands, wait for A plus setup to present, take that setup with full confidence without taking millions of losses before? No. 3 minutes. No, I'm not gonna take it. It's not bad, but we didn't close it, and as you can see, so yeah. In order for me to take long position, I need to see closure, which I don't see, so yeah, I'm not even considering it. Just no delivery from 15 or 1. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. And also, guys, I saw that like a lot of you are like, you know how to take a winning position, and you know how the A plus setup looks like, but the problem with you guys is that you are taking so many unnecessary losses, so many small losses, and then you hit big on A plus trade. But what happens? Let's say you make $500 on your A plus trade, so you are in profits $500. Then tomorrow you're gonna trade, let's say, half a position on B setup, let's say like that. You're gonna lose $200, so you are left at 300. Then you're gonna see another, not A plus setup, but like kinda A. You're gonna be a little bit hesitant. You're gonna say, let me just place $100. You're gonna place $100. Then you're gonna be left with 200. Then you're gonna see, I don't know, setup that's looking again kinda good, but it's not still A plus, and then you're gonna say, fuck it, I'm gonna risk all 200, this is looking good, but it's actually not looking good, it's just in your imaginary head, and if you lose 200, you are back at 0. Now, what would happen if you just stayed at this $500 of profits and you waited for the next, because after you lost everything, A plus setup is gonna come again, you're gonna risk again full size, and you're gonna, let's say, win 500. Then you're gonna be again at 500, and then we go again in the same loop. So I see a lot of you guys are doing that, and that's why you are unprofitable still in the markets. Trust me, I was there, I know how that works, I know it's very tough feeling, but I'm just trying to help you. I lost today, so I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm not telling you guys about those A plus trades that loss. I'm telling about those tiny ace losses that are just stepping you back. But yeah, guys, market is just gonna dump to the downside, so I think that's gonna be it for me for today, and I don't want to yep too much anymore, and I just think there's not gonna be any setups today, so yeah. I'm gonna actually, guys, see you tomorrow, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Just close charts and try practice walking away when there's no A plus. That's what I'm telling you, Ethan, and that's very, very good. Yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.